Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so for this next question, it says, examine the following method for determining area. Then sketch each shape on the geoboard and find the area. The area of the triangle BCF can be found by finding the area of the square ACDF and subtracting the areas of the triangle CDF and triangle ABF. The area of square ACDF is 9 square units. The area of the shaded triangle to the left of the triangle BCF is 3 square units. The area of the shaded triangle to the right of the triangle BCF is 4.5 square units. The area of triangle BCF is 9 minus 7.5, or 1.5 square units. So it wants you to now find the area of each one of the shapes. So there's a number of ways that I would do to solve this, and you can subtract the area of triangles to find these, but some of them you really don't need to. So for example, for this one triangle here, this has a base of 3, and it has a height of 1, 2, 3. And so you could just do 3 times 3 divided by 2, which is 9 divided by 2, which equals 4.5 units squared. So that's for A. For B, same thing. It has a base of 2 and a height of 1, 2, 3, 4. So then 4 times 2 divided by 2 is 8 divided by 2, which equals 4 units squared. Then we have a parallelogram. And so I could take the area of this triangle right here. And so that is a 2 by 4. So 2 times 4 divided by 2 equals 8 units squared. So this one's 8. Then what I can do is I can use this rectangle, which is a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 units squared. And I could take this 4 by 2. And so then again, I forgot to divide this by 2, which is 4. So then 4 times 2 divided by 2 is 4 units squared. So I'm going to take each one of these, 4 plus 4 plus 4, which equals 12. And I'm going to subtract that from the total area, which is a 4 times 4, which equals 16. So 16 minus 12 equals 4 units squared is the area of that parallelogram. Okay, so as we get to the harder ones, it does make more sense to subtract certain areas. So for this this one here, I'm going to subtract the area of this triangle. So it's a 3 by 4. So 3 times 4 divided by 2 is 6 units squared. Then I have a 1 by 4. So 1 times 4 equals 4 units squared. And then a 1 times 4 divided by 2 is 2 units squared. So that's 12 units squared. And I'm going to take 16 minus 4, and that is, 16 minus 12. Got a little bit ahead of myself. 16 minus 12 is 4 units squared, is the area of D, triangle. For this next one, I can do a couple of different things. So I have a rectangle here, which is a 1 by 4, which is 4 units squared. Then I have a 2 by 1, which is 1 unit squared. Then I have another 2 by 1, which is 1 unit squared. Then I have a 3 by 1, which is 3 units squared. Then I have this little tiny triangle that's a 2 by 1, which is another 1 unit squared, and another one that's a 2 by 1, which is a 1 unit squared. I'm going to add up all of these areas. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 units squared. Then I'm going to subtract from 16 units squared. And I'm going to get 5 units squared is the area of that rectangle. Then for the last one, so I have this triangle first. So that's 2 times 2 divided by 2, which is just 2 units squared. Then I have here, this is a 4 by 1, so 4 units squared. Then I have a 3 by 1, which is 3 units squared. Then I have a 3 by 1, which is 1.5 units squared triangle. Then I have a 2 by 1, which is 1 unit squared. So I'm going to add up all of these. So 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11.5. And then 16 minus 11.5 is 4 units squared is the area of that parallelogram. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.